In number 5 on our list, we have the GIGABYTE GBGZ1D Ti7. This mini desktop PC have awesome Intel Core i7 6700K processor, but finding a mini gaming rig with an equally powerful CPU and a full-sized GTX 1070 GPU for an affordable price would be a tough task. The gaming GB stands out for more than just its price alone. The design is unique and eye-catching, and the custom cooling system manages to keep the desktop components from throttling. It's a great mini desktop PC you can buy this year. In number 4, we have the mini PC from Alienware, Alpha. The Alpha is the best example of a living room gaming system we've seen yet. It still entails some compromises, but if you can live with those then it's worth serious consideration. The Alpha is a strong choice for console gamers looking to dip their toes in the PC gaming or for established players who don't want to drag a large tower into their living rooms.
We've created the Alienware Alpha to be the ultimate small form factor gaming PC, taking you deeper into the game than you ever thought possible. Amazingly small and incredibly user-friendly, the Alpha has a unique user interface, Alienware HiveMind, which allows you to access your Steam games, videos, images, and favorite programs all from your controller. It's also got powerful Intel Core i processors, up to 16 gigs of DDR4 memory, and an M.2 PCIe port for additional storage. And with the optional Alienware graphics amplifier, you can experience brilliant 4K gaming and incredible virtual reality. With an improved GPU performance from a 4GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960 GPU, your gaming experience is visceral and real. Crank up your settings and run your games at true 1080p and up to 60 frames per second for select titles. The Alpha also offers easy upgradability that only a PC can deliver. You'll enjoy access to core components, including upgrading the CPU, the memory, and the hard drive, all without voiding your warranty. With its dangerously small design and deceptively powerful performance, the Alpha has been engineered to change perceptions of how desktop gaming should look and feel.
In number 3 of the list, we have the mini PC from Asus, ROG GR82T045Z. The mini gaming PC that will conquer your home. Asus ROG GR82 is a great-looking mini gaming PC that will beat in performance any modern-day console. It comes in several hardware configurations to match different budgets and it offers great connectivity options. This is a great mini PC to buy this year.
Hello and welcome to Asus Republic of Gamers UK. This is Antoine here, and as you guys can see, we are just about to drop in to a friendly game of PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. So I think what we're going to do first up is we'll maybe go to Atlantis over here, the sunken city. It's not too far of a trip, so that is all good. So for this little game, I have the pleasure of playing on the ROG GR82, which is a very nice little mini PC, and this particular one is powered by a GTX 1060, which is actually surprisingly powerful, especially for something which is this small. So it's currently sitting on the desk here next to me. So in the last episode, which you guys may have seen, we did a little bit of Overwatch quick play. So Overwatch, as you guys know, is quite an efficient game. It runs pretty well on a lot of systems, but something that certainly a lot of people are playing at the moment, and also a lot of people are concerned that it doesn't actually run that well, is PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. So I thought what I would do, and because it gives me a nice excuse for playing games in the office, I thought I would start this one up and give it a little bit of a go so you guys can see the kind of performance you can expect on something like the GR82, this nice little mini PC with the GTX 1060 in. Do also remember that I am recording and playing off the same graphics card. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. Shadowplay though is actually incredibly efficient, so you will notice that there's not actually a massive performance hit from doing this kind of streaming and gaming in one.
In number 2 on our list, we have the mini gaming PC from none other than MSI, the Trident 3. The MSI Trident 3 is a handsome and compact gaming PC we would gladly add to our home entertainment setup. Between the styling of the case and its size, MSI's mini desktop isn't all that different than an Xbox One or PS4. It's not the most powerful desktop rig in the world, but it's got more than enough gusto to play games at higher graphics settings than the PS4 Pro or Xbox One X can push.
Hi guys, my name is Joran, and in this video 5 things you need to know about the Trident 3 gaming PC. Super small design. As you can see, the Trident 3 gaming PC is super small. Actually, it has a console size, so you can put it anywhere, whether it is in your living room or in your study. Next to that, you can also see you can position it horizontally on your desk or vertically in a stand like this next to your monitor. PC performance. When you look at such a small PC, you wouldn't expect it packs so much power, but actually it does. The Trident 3 comes with up to an Intel Core i7 CPU and up to a GTX 1070 graphics card by Nvidia. So you can be sure you can play all your games at high settings with 60 FPS. It's VR ready. The Trident 3 doesn't only pack a lot of power, it also comes with a front-side HDMI port with which you can connect your VR headset, for instance. And with the one-click to VR software, you're ready to roam in virtual reality. Sublime cooling. When you're gaming for a long time, you want to be sure that your PC doesn't overheat. So the Trident 3 is separated into 2 compartments. In one compartment, the GPU is cooled, and in the other compartment, your CPU and other components are being cooled as well. And we call this concept silent storm cooling. Super fast storage. The Trident 3 comes with a 128GB SSD on which you can store all your games and your operating system. So these will load super fast. Next to that, the Trident 3 also comes with a 1TB HDD on which you can store all your other data, your videos and your applications. So there you have it, 5 reasons why the Trident 3 is a true console killer.
In number 1 on our picks, We have the mini gaming PC beast from Zotac. ZBox Magnus EN1080K. This incredible looking mini gaming PC packing a powerful GTX 1080, beastly 32GB RAM, and i7 7000HQ processor. It is incredibly small. It's barely bigger than a Nintendo Wii, and it's comfortable for a grown man to carry in one hand like it was a thick book. The Zotac ZBox Magnus is a cool looking bit of kit in more ways than one. Its small dimensions are full of top-end components and mean it could be an ideal choice for any gamer looking for a lounge-friendly VR-ready PC. This is one hell of a high-spec mini gaming PC you could buy this year. If you are interested in buying one of this product, links are in the description. If you liked this video, don't forget to give a like, comment, and a subscribe. As always, thank you.